Hi, this is Chris Roshkot, 24K on Instagram and 24K on Twitter. Today we'll be taking a look at the MacCase Signature iPad Pro 11-inch 2018 model. They also make a 2020 model with a square cutout here. This is the folio cover. Here's this side. I love the fine stitching. It's a straight line all the way around. There's no issues with stitching whatsoever, which we like a lot. So that means high quality. This should last you a long time. And these dots here are magnets built in to help you carry items with the folio case. So the iPad goes in here, has a cutout for the camera if you want to use it with the case. And then what's nice is you can move this down the way for different viewing angles with your iPad. Now the iPad Pro 11-inch has been known to bend on its own because of the camera bump in the back. This keeps everything flat. It's also a nice background here to keep the metal from scratching on the iPad. And this also is very nice and padded for the screen, so there's no scratching on the screen either. Like I said, you can have this in multiple angles, and this is the folio case for the iPad Pro 11-inch by MacCase. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up.